What's up, traders? I hope you're all doing well. Sorry, I couldn't upload a video earlier today. As I was getting ready, I was doing my preparation for my business trip tomorrow. I will be away for a month at least, but don't worry, I'm going to upload my analysis every single day from Tuesday or Wednesday. So I won't be able to upload videos for next 2 days as I'll be in a travel in a long haul flight. So let's do a quick analysis on natural gas, gold, and crude oil. So let's start our analysis with natural gas first. So right here, as you see, we got an overbought situation and we got this bearish candle. And as you see, the market ended up moving down. And yesterday, I've recorded a lesson based on this RSI strategy, and the strategy is called RSI U-turn strategy, which I have just recorded yesterday for my upcoming course. What I'm expecting next from natural gas. So after we have a hit of our minus zone, we can expect a pullback. This could be a pullback, and if we get a break above 20 EMA, or if we get a bullish engulfing candle, this candle engulfed the previous candle. If we get a break and close above here, or if we get a pin bar here, then I'm expecting to see a market to move up. And once we have a break of this zone, we can take a position, and we can take a long position using our ATR plus. You can add 5 with the ATR. That's how I use it, but I'm going to give you the exact rules like I said in my course. So just for a quick one, you can add 5 with the ATR. So that's a condition of long trades. I'm not going to take any short trades until we break below 50 EMA. So at this moment we still get a move down, and we still get a touch of 50 EMA, and 50 EMA can act as a support and give us a bounce from here. So expect a bounce up from the zone again. Just wait for an entry condition, and I'm still seeing a market to move up, and still seeing natural gas being bullish. Only go short once we have a break of 50 EMA. Let's say the market breaks below 50 EMA, then wait for the next entry confirmation, and we can look for a pullback and short trades. So right here on capital.com, all of you who are doing trading on capital.com data, so here as you can see, the market has given us some nice bearish move from this engulfing candle from the zone. You can see that was a nice entry. So right now you can see the market has broken below 20 EMA, and I still expect market to hit 50 EMA. 50 EMA can act as a support and give you a bounce back up once we have a hit of 50 EMA, and once we get an entry condition like an engulfer or a pin bar back in this zone, then we can take 1 ATR above and 1 ATR below as our target. I will only go for a short trade when we once we have a break of 50 MA. Let's say we do not get any sort of entry reason, and we get a break below that, then we can expect some more bearish moves. Do not just enter the trade once we have a hit of 50 EMA. Do not just enter straight away. Always look for an entry condition. Like this, we had nice entry conditions. I couldn't look the market today. Otherwise, I would have gave you a quick shout, but unfortunately, I was not looking at the market. I was busy today, so that was a quick one on capital.com. Let's quickly check gold. So if you see, as you remember my previous video, I have said that gold's gonna hit 2000, and it has been hit today. Let me show you what I've said in my previous video. But looking at fundamentals, looking at the war situation, if we have a break of this pink zone, which is 1971, we can expect a market to move further, and the next level up is on top of it, which is 1994. It can hit 1994, it can go up to 2000. So okay, so right here we got it. Our target has been hit. Gold hit 2000, and I'm still expecting a gold to move between this zone, which is from 2000 and goes up to 2017, from where we will look for sell trade once we have an overbought situation, let's say, and we get a bearish engulfer candle or inverted hammer candle from here. Then we can expect some $10 to $15 move back, not going shorts until the market breaks below 20 EMA. Let's check crude oil. So on crude oil, it still looks bullish to me. We already got a touch of 50% retracement, but the market still came down, and still in our buffer zone. I still expect to see some bounce from this zone. It can still go up to 131.34. Not going short until the market break 20 EMA or this pink zone, which is 109. So still look bullish to me. So that's all for now, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.